Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain RetailMeNot app review to say if it is worth using. RetailMeNot is a free app designed to help users save money through digital coupon, promo codes, and cashback offers across thousands of retailers. With partnerships spanning over 70,000 brands, the app provides users with access to vast arrays of deals, including up to 20% cashback at select stores. Features like stakeable savings, automatic combined eligible discount for maximum saving. Users can redeem offers both online in stores, and cashback can be withdrawn via PayPal, Venmo once at $5 threshold is met. The app user-friendly offers a personalized deals recommendation and untimely notification for sales and promotion. RetailMeNot is a valuable tool for shopping, looking to save money effortlessly. Its extensive network of retail's user electric-centric features is a strong contender in the realms of savings app. However, users should be aware that some coupons may be expired or valid, or the cashback process can take up to 45 days despite this drawback. The app's benefits often outweigh the convenience, making it a worthwhile addition in any savvy shopper's toolkit. And that's it.